For this craft, we're not going to be building towers, but instead we're going to be going and making something that is guaranteed not to tumble and fall apart. So grab some wooden blocks, along with also an old bowl and some wood glue. We'll be starting this craft off with some wooden blocks, along with also a plastic bowl. Make sure that this plastic bowl is not a bowl that you use for normal foods or anything like that, and that you will not use again. Line 2 blocks together in the middle, one at the side, one at the other side, followed up with another one, along with also another one too. Now for the sides, after you have the middle in place, put 2, another one on both sides, and also one in the center. It should match on both sides. And also keep in mind too, all of these blocks aren't glued, so they might shift around a little bit. After you figured out what you want for your design, go and take a photo of it and start gluing the blocks. Start off by gluing the center blocks. Since we are using wood glue, you want to press them together. After that, go and glue the ones that are for the sides down. Start off with one side. It's going to make it a lot easier if you just glue 2 together, and then after that, glue that to one side. Repeat this for the other side as well. Make sure when you are gluing these all down that you are using a good amount of pressure on the sides because you really want this wood glue to stick. If you don't press it together, it will not work. Glue another 2 together, and after you've pressed it, put a little bit of glue on the side along with the bottom. Go and line this up with the block that is sticking out from the center. Take your time as well and try not to touch the glue. Do this again for the other side, so glue 2 together, put a little bit onto the side, and along with also the bottom. And then line this up in place. Make sure again that you are pressing this. Put glue onto both sides of a piece, along with also on the bottom. And then what you're going to do is slide this into place. Yes, some of the different pieces may shift a little bit, but make sure you're pressing and realigning. Go and repeat this onto the other side. Make sure to place one in the middle and press everything as well. Make sure to put down extra glue for the pieces that stick up. Glue 2 pieces to the sides. This is going to go and keep things in place that you put into this wooden bowl. After everything is secured, go and wipe off any extra glue before it fully dries. After it is fully dried, which it's going to take a couple of hours to 24 hours, you probably want to wait about 24 hours though for it to fully set before removing it from the bowl. It should look a little something like this. Now you can use this wooden bowl for a decoration or also a really cool looking centerpiece. You can also use this in a practical sense to go and put fruit or anything like that in the middle. Just keep in mind you might want to coat it before you put any sort of fruits or vegetables into this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great one and take it easy.